Hey buddy, thanks for tuning in to today's video. We're going to have a look at the weather for the week ahead today. We've got more unsettled weather on the way this week. There's going to be showers with longer spells of rain. So our brief little burst of summer that we've had over the last few days has gone now, and it doesn't look like it's coming back in the foreseeable future either. Before I get on with the video, just talk about the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad overlaying my weather videos at GavsWeatherVids.com. Please play those video ads. You'll be supporting GavsWeatherVids.com. While doing that, I also want to mention the websites I'm using for this video. There's the Met Office radar picture. There's the charts from weathercentral.de and from theweatheroutlook.com. You can find all three of those websites on my links page. So this is the situation right now in terms of the radar, and we can see we've got a rash of showers here across much of Scotland, Northern Ireland, and now just starting to come down in towards northwestern England as well. The showers really today are going to be concentrated in the north and the west of the country. Down in some parts of northern and western Wales as well, getting some showers, but particularly those showers across Scotland, Northern Ireland and northwestern parts of England. Eastern and southern areas, I think, generally having a lot of dry weather today. The odd shower can't be ruled out, but generally quite a bit of dry weather in the south and the east of the country today. Now it's feeling much cooler and fresher in the south and east than it has been over the last few days. Temperatures are going to be up to around 21, maybe 22 degrees. 22 is 72 Fahrenheit, but that's quite a bit cooler. It certainly feels cooler in that northwesterly wind. In the north, the temperatures of around 17, 18 degrees, just 16 degrees across at the far north of Scotland. So feeling quite cool up there. And that northwesterly wind is taking the edge off the temperatures. So this is the pressure chart for today. I've got low pressure up to the north of the country. So it's feeding in this northwesterly wind, and that's what's bringing the showers and has brought the dropping temperatures. Now overnight we're going to find those showers dying back towards the northern and western coast, many parts becoming dry and clear tonight. It's going to be quite a chilly night though, really, for midsummer, with temperatures down to around 6, 7, 8 degrees in the north, 10s, 11s, 12s in the south. 12 is 54 Fahrenheit, but that's a little bit below where it should be along the south coast for the time of year, and certainly feeling quite chilly up in the north. Now, going into Sunday, that low pressure, if anything, is coming a little bit further south. It's bringing a trough down across the country. So Sunday will tend to have more in the way of showers. Some of those showers could be really quite heavy as well, maybe with some hail and thunder about in places, and they could manage to give some longer spells of rain. I think everywhere at risk of showers tomorrow. I'd say those showers will be quite heavy. Now, of course, with showers, some places miss some, stay dry altogether. If that happens, you won't have too bad a day. But generally, a lot of cloud floating around on Sunday, and I'd say those showers will be heavy and widespread. Temperatures a bit down on those of today's, with more in way of cloud and showers around. So looking around 13 to 15 for northern Scotland, 17s, 18s across northern England and the Midlands, maybe just struggling up to around 20 degrees in far southern areas. 20 is 68, but it's below average for the time of year, so those temperatures have dipped back below the seasonal average. Going into Monday, and we've got this very, very weak transient ridge of high pressure here, so still a few showers perhaps for northern and eastern parts of the country, particularly northern eastern Scotland, northeastern England, but more in way of drier weather on Monday. Monday probably the driest day of the working week, actually, with a fair amount of dry and bright weather, although by the end of the day, by the end of Monday, the next weather system will be starting to bring some rain into parts of Ireland and the far southwest of England probably, but generally a lot of dry weather around on Monday, with showers quite well scattered, and more particularly in the north and the east. Temperatures up to around 20, 21 degrees, that's around the 70 Fahrenheit mark, but certainly nothing to write home about. Going into a Tuesday, and this next area of low pressure only starting to come up across the country. It's bringing a warm front initially. That's going to take a band of cloud and rain across many parts of the country, but rain probably quite light and patchy across the Midlands, central, southern, southeast England, but heavy rain for Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England. Rain becoming really persistent and heavy in the north and west, parts of Wales as well. And even in the southeast, there will be some light rain and drizzle around at times. It's just that down here, the rain should be on the light side. Temperatures, well, probably around 18, 19, 20 degrees in the east with a dry and bright start, but lower in the west, of course, because the rain will be setting in early and it'll be spreading across the northern and western parts, so just 16, 17, 18 degrees in the west. Although as that warm front pushes through, it will start to feel more warm and humid. Into Wednesday, and that low pressure is there to the north of Scotland. We'll be taking a cold front across the country on Wednesday, so that'll probably take a band of cloud and quite heavy rain across all parts of the country through the course of the day. And then we're looking at sunshine and showers following on behind. Some of those showers could be quite heavy. Quite windy up here, up in the north as well. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, the ice bars are quite tightly packed, so I say it will be quite windy in the north and the west. That persistent rain probably not arriving into the southeast until well on into the afternoon, so down there it'll probably be a largely dry and sunny picture for the morning, and then cloudy over in the afternoon. Quite warm in the southeast, temperatures possibly up to 22, 23 degrees before that cold front arrives, but generally those temperatures dip away as the cold front clears through to around 18 or 19. 19 is 66 Fahrenheit. And then for the rest of the week, we're looking at this low area of low pressure really dominated weather. Tightly packed ice bars here for the north, so windy for Scotland on Thursday with a risk of gales. It'll be feeding in showers to many northern parts of the country on Thursday. Southern areas perhaps not getting too many showers on Thursday. A lot of dry and bright weather around in the south on Thursday. The showers more concentrated up in the north and the west. Temperatures around 20, 21 degrees, nothing to write home about. And then going into Friday, that low pressure is still there and it's starting to sink south across the country. So Friday probably has more in the way of showers. Again, some of those showers could be quite heavy with a risk of hail and thunder in places, maybe emerging to give longer spells of rain. In the southern and southeastern areas, probably at risk of more in the way of showers on Thursday. Finally, heading into a Saturday, and that low pressure is still there. It'll still be bringing in sunshine and showers really across the country for Saturday, and then beyond that I think we could well be looking at a band of more persistent rain heading in on Sunday. Those temperatures still nothing to write home about. Finally, having a look at the charts from weatheroutlook.com, just having a look at how this works out in the weather in your area. Well, this is the situation today. We have got showers in the northwest, but a lot of dry and bright weather in the south and the east, although the odd shower can't be ruled out. Those temperatures are on the cooler side, certainly in comparison to what we've been used to. More in the way of showers on the Sunday. Some of those showers will be heavy, a risk of hail, thunder and longer spells of rain. Of course, some places could miss some and stay dry, but I think generally a lot of showers around for Sunday, and you'll be quite lucky to miss those. This is showing quite a lot of showers for Monday. I'm not sure that's quite right really. I think Monday should have a lot of dry weather, although showers still can't be ruled out in the north and the east. And then as we go into Tuesday, we're looking at this area of rain coming in from the west, and that'll be spreading north and west across the country through the day. These southeast areas probably not having too much in the way of rain, the rain quite light and patchy down in the southeast. And then for the rest of the week, a band of rain comes across the country on Wednesday, followed by showers, and then Thursday and Friday it's sunshine and showers. Those temperatures, nothing to write home about. So it's turned unsettled again, it's turned cooler, it is turning unsettled, and that's really going to be the way of it for the coming week. So in summary, it's cooler with unsettled weather. That's it for now, thanks for watching, bye for now.